In this video, I'll be talking about monarch butterflies. There is a mutualistic relationship between humans and monarch butterflies. This is a type of symbiotic relationship where two organisms of different species each benefit from the interconnection. Now, let me tell you more about these butterflies. The monarch butterfly migration from the Midwestern US to southwestern Mexico spans an astonishing 3,000 miles. These brightly colored butterflies provide an invaluable service to not only humans but many ecosystems as a whole. However, this mutualistic relationship is worsening at a fast rate as monarch caterpillars are experiencing the downfall of their exclusive food source, milkweed. In the late 1990s, farmers started planting these genetically modified crop plants. To be more specific, they're glyphosate-tolerant soybeans and corn. Glyphosate is an herbicide that eradicates milkweed and other plants. The usage of glyphosate in soybeans skyrocketed from 1.4 million kilograms in 1994 to 41.7 million kilograms in 2006. The usage in corn went up from 1.8 million kilograms in 2000 to 28.5 million kilograms in 2010. Additionally, GM crops such as soybeans and corn contain Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a bacterium lethal to monarch caterpillars. From 1999 to 2010, there was an 81% decline in agricultural milkweed and a 31% decline in non-agricultural milkweed. Non-agricultural refers to all of the land aside from farming, such as roadsides and old fields. A far higher decline in agricultural milkweed actually amplifies the loss of resources for monarchs, because each agricultural milkweed is likely to contain 3.89 times more monarch eggs than a non-agricultural milkweed. It is estimated that agricultural milkweed's contribution to the total monarch population declined from 82% to 55% in just 10 years. Areas with less soybean and corn are not facing a steep decline in monarch populations because there is simply less land for corn and soybean farming. There is 65 times more land used for soybean production and 35 times more land used for corn in the Midwest than the Northeast. This illustrates the relationship between herbicide use and decreasing monarch population densities. However, other scientists believe that the decline in the monarch population is due to the migration mortality hypothesis, which states that these monarchs are dying on their long journey to Mexico. However, this hypothesis was undermined upon the completion of a study by a professor at the University of Kansas. This study proved that the butterflies were not dying during their journey. The consequences of the monarch's decline include ripple effects in the environment and many irreversible effects to humans. Butterflies and bees are not only responsible for pollinating food crops worldwide, they also share their habitats with many other species. Declining monarch populations also means fewer food sources for the birds. A great extent of the food that humans rely on would not be so available without pollinators. Like all pollinators, monarch butterflies offer ecosystems of vital service. More than 80% of all flowering plants on Earth depend on pollinators for their reproduction. On top of their ecological significance, monarch butterflies are a long-standing cultural symbol in Mexico, particularly since their arrival in the country coincides with the Day of the Dead. It is believed that these striking orange butterflies embody the souls of lost loved ones or perhaps fallen soldiers. However, will these one-of-a-kind butterflies continue to flutter in the future? It is amazing to learn that a creature that weighs less than a gram could have such a huge impact. Humans' current herbicide use must be reassessed, and more milkweed must be planted to support these vital pollinators.